Hi all, welcome to the Salesforce Ultimate Guide channel. In this video, we are going to continue with our trigger scenarios. Salesforce trigger interview question number 33. Prevent deletion of an account if there is any apostrophe related to that account. So we will work on this particular trigger today. Okay. So now I will go to the developer console. First, I will show you what it means in the reality. So let us say that so for any account, if there is any apostrophe, then we should not allow that account to be deleted. Okay. So right now I have an account here. If we see, there are two opportunities, but if I try to delete this, 1 second. Okay, I take one new account example. Okay, so test account by. Okay, for this particular account, I will add an apostrophe. In earlier example, it was an closed one apostrophe, so that's why it was not allowing. So let me close it. Then apostrophe pp1 stage is prospecting. Yeah, right now for this particular account, there is one opportunity. So if I try to delete this particular account, the account gets deleted. Okay, but as per our scenario, we should not allow to delete any of the account if there is an existing opportunity. So now I am going to write a trigger for the same. Account trigger 33 on a subject is account submit. Then the trigger context is before delete, because whenever any person is trying to delete that account, before deleting that only this trigger has to work. Okay, that's why. Then we have to check if trigger dot is delete and trigger dot is before. If these two conditions are met, then for each of the account acc in trigger dot old. So in this scenario, what we will do, we will collect all the accounts which they are trying to delete. We will collect all their IDs and store it in one of the set. Okay, so I will create one new set for that. Set of ID, ACC IDs equal to new set of ID. Okay, I have created one set. So now in this set, I am going to add all those IDs which they are trying to delete. That we can get using this particular variable acc dot its id. So acc dot id. Okay, so now we got all the account IDs. The next thing is we need to fetch all the account records along with their apostrophe records, so that if then we will take the count of apostrophes. If apostrophe count is more than 0, means if it is greater than 0 means 1. Even if it is 1 also, then it will not allow to delete. So to get that, I am going to write one of the query here. So first, for account in acc, so we need to fetch all the accounts. So I am selecting first, select id from account, where id in, so all these IDs. So whichever the offer, we will fetch all the account records where the ID matches with this particular IDs present in the ACC IDs. Then I will also fetch all the child records. They are opportunity records. So select ID from opportunities. So to get that, I will go to object manager. I will first open opportunity object, then field. So here the account is, we have given a lookup to account using this account name. If you open this, we will get this child relationship name. So we just need to add this child relationship name in the query. select ID from opportunities from account where ID is in account ID. So for all these, if for if account if ACC dot opportunities, so for each records account records opportunities dot size is greater than 0, then what we need to do is we just need to first uh, get that account. So account ACC don't delete. So we'll just for that each particular account we will show the error. So just getting that record trigger dot word map. So they will all will be stored here in the word map dot get off. So we need to pass the ID. So pass that ID ACC dot ID. Okay, now we got that account, and for that account I need to add the error. You cannot delete an account which have associated opportunities. Okay, so here I fetched all the account missing this. Here I fetched all the account and opportunity records using the child relationship query. Then if I'm checking if account's opportunity size is greater than 0, then for that particular account I'm showing this error. Okay, now we will test it on the UI. I'm just creating one test account. Then I'm going to create one of the opportunity. Page is value proposition. Okay, save. Then if I try to delete this particular account, then I will get the error that you cannot delete an account which have associated opportunities. So this is the working of this particular trigger. It was very easy. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.